Step 1. Understanding AI basics. The first step is to grasp the basics of AI. AI refers to technologies that enable computers to perform tasks that usually require human intelligence. By utilizing AI, you can automate processes, gain valuable insights, and make informed decisions to improve your financial standing. Step 2. Identifying AI opportunities. Step 2 involves identifying opportunities where AI can make a significant impact. Look for industries or areas where AI can solve problems or improve existing processes. This could be in healthcare, finance, customer service, or even creating AI-powered products or services. Find a niche where AI can add value and potentially generate income. Step 3. Acquiring AI skills. Step 3 is about acquiring AI skills. You don't need to be an expert in computer science to get started. There are many online resources offering beginner-friendly courses on AI and machine learning. By gaining basic knowledge, you'll be equipped to understand AI concepts and explore its potential applications. Step 4. Leveraging existing AI tools. Step 4 involves leveraging existing AI tools. You don't have to build everything from scratch. Many AI platforms and tools are available that can help you kickstart your AI journey. These tools provide pre-built models and algorithms that you can use to solve specific problems or improve processes without extensive coding knowledge. Step 5. Collecting and analyzing data. Step 5 focuses on collecting and analyzing data. AI thrives on data, so gathering relevant and high-quality data is crucial. Understand the data you need and develop strategies to collect, clean, and organize it. Then, use AI techniques to extract insights and make data-driven decisions that can positively impact your financial outcomes. Step 6. Creating AI-based products or services. Step 6 is about creating AI-based products or services. Once you've identified your target market and have a solid understanding of their needs, you can develop AI-powered solutions that address those needs. Whether it's an AI chatbot, a recommendation system, or an intelligent automation tool, the possibilities are vast. Step 7. Marketing and monetizing your AI solutions. Step 7 focuses on marketing and monetizing your AI solutions. Develop a clear value proposition and craft compelling marketing strategies to reach your target audience. Consider different monetization models, such as licensing your AI technology, providing AI as a service, or offering AI consulting services. The key is to showcase the value your AI solutions bring to the table. Step 8. Continuous learning and adaptation last. But not least, Step 8 emphasizes continuous learning and adaptation. The field of AI is rapidly evolving, so it's essential to stay updated with the latest advancements. Keep learning, explore new AI techniques, and adapt your strategies to stay ahead of the competition and maximize your financial opportunities. By following these steps, you can harness the power of AI to boost your financial standing. Good luck on your AI journey, and may your financial success be limitless.